Create a clickable product image for Amazon in Canva. Start by opening Canva and selecting custom size and the best dimensions for the Amazon image. First, upload your high-quality image of the product. Use the background remover button to get rid of the original background. Drag the product onto the canvas and center it. Preferably, your product should cover 80% of the space on the image. Next, let's create a realistic shadow for the product. For this, use the Elements section and type shadow. This process will require some time to find the perfect match between existing shadows and your type of product. Test different shadows, change their opacity. Turn and rotate to make them fit perfectly with the product. Now, let's add a creative touch that will catch the eye right away. For this, type coffee splash in the Elements search bar. In our case, it highlights the product's nature and differentiates it from the rest of the similar products on the platform. Find the perfect match for the product and place it accordingly. Now the product image is ready, so click the Share and Download button and upload it on Amazon or another platform to attract buyers.